Hey guys, and welcome back to Ultimate Squid Gaming and to a little house tour video of the Granary in York. So if I just head through the entrance, it's basically in like a courtyard area behind this taller building. If we head through the front door, it's a bit weird, very strange layout. The first thing you see is the shower room, which I just think is a little bit strange to have a shower room downstairs, especially straight through. That's literally the front door. So you come through, the first thing I saw when I opened the door was a shower. Very strange. But yeah, you've got obviously a sink, toilet, you know, pretty usual kind of shower room, towel rail. Head through, we've got a poster here about York from British Railways. That's obviously like a recreation that you can buy. Stairs going upstairs to the main living area. Some local maps. And then the singular bedroom. It's all got this kind of sort of wooden slash, I'm not sure, I can't remember what it's called. But it's this sort of like industrial kind of metal. Yeah, if I just show you the strange bedside lamp fittings. I'll show you the one on the other side. They're like hands. Very strange, but it's wood. I thought when I saw the picture online, I thought they were metal. The decor is very strange because we've got like a random like actual shovel like hanging from the wall, which I'm kind of wondering if this is maybe like, because it was like, see, York was, I mean there's the National Railway Museum which I'm visiting tomorrow, but I'm not entirely sure, like, random cow, if that's like, what sort of fish are you? Don't tell it. Pike. Oh, buy one get one flea. Pilates of the Caribbean. Random. I think this is for like threshing hay. I think this sort of implement. There's the bed. It does actually feel quite comfortable. Some cool artwork, and also yeah, take a look at these doors. They're like these sort of metal sliding kind of industrial type doors that are hanging. It's very strange, and I've just turned the heating on as well. Yes, it's a bit odd. What is that? Crikey. Okay, let's head upstairs. This is a very strange layout. Bedroom is downstairs, guys. Living area is upstairs. The living area is quite nice though, I think. It looks quite cozy. We've got these sort of like metal bars that kind of go all the way up to the ceiling. Random hanging pendant lamp for some reason. And yeah, very cool lighting in here. It's going a bit crazy on my camera. I'm choosing my phone. So yeah, we've got the standard stuff. Random, like, as if you're going to be carrying lots of drinks. Chopping boards, toaster, PG Tips teas, coffee stuff, sugars, kettle, obviously a sink. Future squid, I just thought I'd add, it is very weird having a sink and no window, when there obviously was a window, because you can see on the brickwork that there's been a bricked in window. Very strange. For some reason there's these really weird, like, jokey kind of, I don't know what to call these sort of like old school kind of things, but there's quite a few of them up here. Got like a spice rack with, I have no clue what this is. Cocoa bitters. I think it's some kind of alcohol. I'm not sure. Product of Trinidad and Tobago. Let me know down in the comments, guys, if you know what that is. I brought along some bananas and some apples. You got a hob, which is actually, I just noticed. Wait, this is a gas hob, right? Yes, it is. Oh, thank goodness. I cannot stand electric hobs. Regular oven, microwave. More of these strange, corny posters. Which, yeah, you see these sort of things for sale in gift shops, and I can only please one person per day. Today I chose me. Yeah, they are very popular, those things. I don't really get them. Very cool radiator. And also, I was thinking, guys, these two ones here. City of Westminster when I'm in York. Okay. And this Will Star cigarette sign. Let me know, guys, do you think this is new? Because it does look rusty. Let me know, guys, do you think this is new? Or is this actually vintage? Is it retro? Let me know down in the comments. Some more metal boxes, a TV, some old school suitcases, a cute little dog door stop, which is, there's no doors up here, so more artwork. Nil by mouse. Oh, they're mice, and the other one's a mole. Nil by mouse, mole ills. Springer leak. His condition is improving rapidly. He is sitting up in bed, blowing the froth off his medicine. Ah, that looks like, is that Guinness? I think that's Guinness. Yeah, there's the little kind of dining area. The only thing is a bit sus is that there's like this just sheer, and there's some wood here, but there's like nothing going up here, which is a bit weird. Yeah, and then there's this like weird sort of door window thing which opens all the way, and it's, oh, there's a church going. I'm not sure if that's a church through there, but yeah, interesting. Very interesting. One thing I do love about Airbnb is you do find the most strangest of places. I will leave a link down below to this accommodation. There's look down the stairs. So I hope you enjoyed this completely random off-the-cuff video. Yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this. Smack that like button if you did, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, guys!